If you are new to this channel, my name is Rex and you are a profitable trader. Without wasting any of your time, let's get straight into what you came to do, what you came to learn. So the first thing you want to do in order for you to set a trailing stop loss, or the first thing that needs to be in place, is a desktop. All right, you need to have your MT5 login on your laptop or your computer or your desktop. It is not possible to set a trailing stop loss on your phone, your mobile device, an iPad. As long as it's an Android or iPad, it's not possible. All right, I didn't make the rules. That is how MT5 is. Maybe in the nearest future some updates can come and then that can now be adjusted, but as at the time of making this video, you can only set a trailing stop loss on your PC. I believe that's clear. And if you move past that, then we want to move to the next stage, which is having an existing position. All right, so you need to have an existing position, or a pending order in order for you to set stop loss. I mean, if there is no order, if there is no position, what are you trailing? Definitely nothing. So that being said, let's just mimic or put in an existing position or an order so I can show you guys how to set up a trailing stop loss. All right, so you want to come here to new order, and mind you, you can also open your position on your mobile. Okay, as long as your desktop and your mobile is synced, you are logged in on your phone and you're logged in on your laptop, it doesn't matter. You don't have to open the trade on your system. But as long as you want to set the trailing stop loss, it has to be done in your system. I'm just doing everything on my system here so we can get to the point of trailing stop loss. It's a process. So now we place this like this: expiration GTC, that's good till cancelled. All right, now we place done. Now we now have a pending order. If I swipe and adjust my chart like this, I'm going to see lines. Beautiful. Good. So now you have the lines. Okay, you have the lines on your MT5, where if you are trading on system, you can just drag it and adjust. So this is my TP here. This is my sell limit order. This is my stop loss. Good. Now that we have these things in place, we can now trail our stop loss. Okay. So let's assume this is an ongoing position. Maybe you've already, yeah, up 2R, 3R, you've taken your partial profit, you move your stops to break even, and then you want to trail it. So now you're going to hover onto this SL point or this sell limit point. Anyone, once you just see that, you see, yes, drag to modify, you can see it. And then you click on trailing stop loss. Once you click on trailing stop loss, you're going to be asked how many points you want to trail by. This is where your analysis comes in. It depends on how many, points your stop loss is. Some people point is 10, 20, 15, depending on the type of trader you are and the time frame you are trading. So let's say you want to trail by 100 points or 200 points, for example. So if you want to trade by 200 points, that means for every 200 points the market moves, your stop loss moves also in direction to the market, right? So you do that and you set it as okay. It's as simple as that. So that being done, your stop loss will always trail for every 200 points. If it's 300 points, whatever it is that works for you according to your analysis. So your stop loss will always trail according to the points you have inserted inside your MetaTrader. All right, so it's as simple as that. That's how to set a trailing stop loss. Okay, but it's much more advisable to have a trailing stop loss, after the trade has gone, not on a limit order like this. On an ongoing position. Once the position is running, and then you set your trailing stop loss, and then you set your stop loss to break even, take your partial profit and you let it trail. All right, so that's the end of this video. If you found any value from this video, let me know. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. If you have any idea or any type of video you want me to cover in my next video, any tutorial videos or any psychological, trading related video, let me know in the comment section and I might just consider making it as a video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.